Hello everybody, welcome to Nature's Wellbeing Mantras. In this video I'm going to be talking about two big benefits you can get by going outdoors, going into nature, taking a walk, going to your park. And yeah, this can help a lot. But before I tell you about those two main benefits, I'm going to tell you about two things that you should know just in case you don't know about them. The first is that our body requires oxygen, which everybody knows, but a lot of the time when we're breathing in, we don't get all the required oxygen that we could have gotten in one breath. We'd get a lot of nitrogen and carbon dioxide and all the other stuff. Now, generally, this is the second thing. Generally, inside of your home, a flat, a building, there is more polluted. It is more polluted than outside because the pollution is usually condensed compared to the outside where there's so much air that even though we're releasing so much pollution, it's kind of just getting spread out. So even if you're taking a walk outside, it'll have much less pollution than compared to when you're taking a walk inside. So something I recommend that you guys do is that if you're taking a walk or if you're going to run, instead of going on a treadmill, you should go to your park or somewhere and just take a run. The reason that inside is more polluted is because all of the carbon dioxide and all the other stuff is more compacted. So the oxygen is not really there. You don't get as much of it as you need. In the outside, there's more oxygen because of the trees and all the other plants that can produce oxygen. The trees are really helpful to get rid of CO2 and put it inside of the ground. And yeah. So now I'm going to be telling you about the two main benefits. The first main benefit is mental. So there's two reasons of these two benefits, multiple benefits. But the first reason is that it's a placebo effect. When we are in nature, we just feel more calm. A lot of people feel like they are just having calmness and relaxing. For them, it's really nice to just go into a forest and sit. This is the placebo effect. Most of our minds associate nature with calmness and all of that. The second reason is because our brains are mentally wired to sit and live in nature. So if you can actually relax, sit in a park or in an area with a lot of nature, if you can actually relax, then it's really good for you. It will help you out a lot. Some people say when they're having a lot of stress, fear, or they're lacking creativity, they just take a sit in a park or they take a run. Now, the second benefit is physical. So there are multiple reasons for this. First reason is, well, the placebo effect. Your brain thinking, it is nice and it's relaxing, so your brain is trying to make some benefits or some things for that. Second reason is that there's more oxygen in the air compared to inside. Third reason is that you can get vitamin D and some of the other things. So yeah, now let me tell you about the benefits. The first benefit is that your heart and your brain are more relaxed. What I mean by this is normally your heart needs to pump at a faster rate because it doesn't get enough oxygen to supply all the cells. This can help out if you're outside. And the second reason is that when you're outside, your brain generally tries to calm down, and when there's more blood that can be used because there's more oxygen, your heart doesn't need to make as much blood, so that some of the extra goes to the brain, so it's easier for some people to do some things. And now the last benefit is that outside there's generally vitamin D, and that can help you with your bones and all of the other things. Now, these are the two main benefits that I saw. There are lots of more benefits, but these are the two main benefits I chose to talk about in this video. And like, subscribe, and hit the bell button. Bye.